Everyone around them gets faster results, bigger applause, easier wins, and the Capricorn still climbing, steady, patient, until one day they are at the top. Why does Saturn build his sign this way? What did Parashara reveal in that ancient verse that explains why Makara struggles early and succeeds later? Today we uncover that answer. Sarvebhyo Namaskaraha, I am Dr. Archana Murthy, a professional astrologer, and I am passionate about Jyotish Shastram. Welcome to my channel where I spread awareness about Vedic astrology. You're watching part 1 of our Makara Rashi or Capricorn series. Quick note, I am systematically covering all 12 Rashis. Aries through Dhanur are done. Now Makara, then Kumbha and Meena. 3 detailed videos for each sign. Part 1 today covers the fundamental nature and personality. Part 2 goes into love and relationships. Part 3 covers career, health, remedies and transformation. Subscribe and check the links below for previous Rashis. Makara is the 10th sign, extending from 270 to 300 degrees, associated with karma, profession and public status. It is governed by Saturn, Shani, the great taskmaster of the zodiac. Saturn, Karma Phaladata, does not reward shortcuts. He rewards persistence. Parashara says, Mandhatipastami bhaumi yamyecha nishi viryavan prushtodaya vrihadgatraha karburo vanabhucharaha adav cha pushpadante ta vipado jalago mataha. Let's break this down word by word. Mandadipas. Manda is Saturn. Makara is owned by Saturn. Discipline, seriousness, karmic intent. This runs through every Capricorn. Tamoguni, the quality of deep, enduring, grounded perseverance. Not laziness, slow, powerful energy. Bhaumi, which is the earth element. Prithvi Tattva, grounded, practical, material, reliable. Yamyet indicates south direction, associated with Yama, lord of Dharma and time. Nishi Viryavan, Makara gains strength in the dark, the quiet, behind the scenes power. Many Makara natives are more productive at night. Their mental clarity and courage often increases after sunset. Journeys undertaken at night may even prove more favorable for them. Makara is a Prushtodaya Rashi. It rises with its back first. Results come slowly after effort and sacrifice, but when success comes, it is solid and lasting. Vrihadgatraha indicates a large or long body. The person may be thin or small in early life, but gains stature and presence as they age, perfectly mirroring the Capricorn life path. Vanabhuchara dwells in forests and on land, indicates endurance, isolation and capacity to function independently. So this represents front half 4-footed like a land animal, rear half has no feet, and Jalagomataha, considered a water dweller. This is Makara as depicted in temple architecture, a guardian figure placed at sacred thresholds at entrances, half terrestrial, half aquatic, symbolizing protection and transition. Look for it the next time you visit a temple. The western zodiac symbol of Capricorn, which is the sea goat, closely resembles the ancient Vedic description of Makara, goat body with a fish tail. The symbolism reflects shared ancient wisdom expressed across traditions with different cultural expression. Makara is an earth sign, Prithvi Tattva. It is a Chara Rashi, movable, meaning once it decides, it acts. It is feminine and self-contained. Mars gets exalted in Makara. When energy is channeled with discipline, it becomes unstoppable. Jupiter gets debilitated here. Capricorns can struggle with over-trusting or idealism or lack of direction, and sometimes too fixated on the practical and material. The classical text reveals Makara as a sign of sacrifice, hard labor, concentration and resurrection, both practical and philosophical in nature. Makara is about quiet daily sacrifice, waking up early when others sleep, persisting when others give up. Many Makara natives feel misunderstood in their teenage years. They carry responsibility early, but after 30-35, they become the pillar everyone depends on. Classically, Makara natives are described as having a long or lean body structure. In early life, they may appear thin, slightly serious looking, but something interesting happens after 60. There is often a noticeable change. Height increases, posture improves, and the personality becomes more commanding with age. Makara literally grows into itself. Facial features may include a prominent or long nose, thick neck, darker hair, and a strong bone structure. Now, health-wise, the sign governs the knees and joints. So classical texts warn of stiffness, joint pain, rheumatism tendencies, or even a mark or scar around the knee region. Posture may slightly bend forward with age, reflecting Saturn's influence. Capricornians are economical and prudent. They think before they act. They rarely waste energy or money. They are reserved and self-contained, not overly expressive, but deeply observant, practical. calculated, businesslike. They desire wealth, power, authority, but through effort, not through shortcuts. Being a movable sign, once they decide, they execute quickly. They may even change career if it is strategically advantageous. They possess strong organizing ability. They tolerate pressure well. Patience is one of their greatest strengths. Their nature is steady, not easily shaken. They're cautious and hardworking, capable of sustained effort. When they plan something, they think long term and they are able to carry out schemes of considerable magnitude. They do not depend on the hopes or promises of others. Emotionally, they are not very demonstrative, but they are dependable. They are not easy to cheat. Modest and polite, they test people before forming deep bonds. Self-reliant and thrifty, many respect religion and philosophy. At their best, they are sincere and reliable. The nakshatras spanning Makara are Uttarashada, the last three padas, bringing invincibility and determination. Shravana in the entirety, that all four padas, giving the power of listening and absorbing wisdom. And the first two padas of Dhanishta, bringing wealth, rhythm and accumulation. A quick note, when I mention Makara, this could mean Makara Lagna or Makara Rashi. The characteristics apply to both. Makara teaches us one powerful lesson. Success is not about speed, it is about endurance. Makara is the sign of disciplined ascent. The goat does not jump but climbs carefully, steadily, with purpose. And it reaches heights that the impulsive signs could never sustain. Next week in part 2, we'll look into Makara in love, how Capricorns love with loyalty and practicality, compatibility, marriage and family life. Tell me in the comments which Makara traits resonates most with you. Subscribe so you don't miss part 2. Dhanyawadaha, and I'll see you next week in part 2.